Monroe Elementary very proudly presents School Rules So Easy, even a dog can do it. Easy Rule 1. Respect. Use kind words, be nice to people, and take care of property. Easy Rule 2. Kaifuti. School is a better place when you keep your hands, feet, and other objects to yourself. Easy Rule number 3. Personal best. Behave for success. Give 100% effort. You're smart, so work hard. If this dog can do it, so can you. Seriously easy.
3, 2, 1.
Monroe Elementary has assemblies of awesomeness.
Assembly expectations. So easy even a dog can do it. Show respect. Use a respectful tone of voice level as directed. Listen to instructions. Be your personal best. Walk quietly. Sit on pockets, attend to signal. Pay attention and listen. Applaud appropriately. Follow directions. Wait for dismissal. Don't forget Kaifuti. Sit on pockets. Keep your hands, feet, and other objects to yourself. Monroe has awesome assemblies. No bones about it.